Hello everybody. If you remember the last video we did, we talked about water filtration. We talked about chlorine. We talked about how to remove chlorine. Today we're going to take a look at testing for hardness of water and what we can do about that. So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and take a sample from our kitchen sink. There's two parts to this process. One is to identify whether it's hard or soft water. Alright, so red means that it is hard water. Now we need to determine how hard the water is by the number of drops of this titrating solution. 30 drops to get it back to a blue state. So this water has 30 grains of hardness. So water is rated in grains of hardness per gallon, and what's considered soft water is going to be between 1 and 3 grains. So this is on the opposite of the spectrum, extremely hard water, which is what we typically have in Arizona. Now we're going to take a look at what we can do about it. This material that's in here are resin, little beads. And these beads are what you're going to find in a water softening system. So this is just to represent what an actual water softener does in removing hardness. So we're going to go ahead and do the same kind of test. We're going to fill our beaker back up and we're going to test the water coming through the resin and see what the grains of hardness are from there. And same process. You'll notice it didn't turn red. That means that this water is soft. It's 3 grains of hardness or below. So this device, these small little beads, removed 30 plus grains of hardness. Now when you use this in conjunction with carbon, like we did for filtration, you've taken care of just about all of the unwanted contaminants that are going to be in your water. You've taken out the chlorine, you've taken out some total dissolved solids with the carbon filter, and you've also protected the resin bed to last a bit longer because chlorine starts to deteriorate the resin. So between an activated charcoal carbon filter and a water softener, you get much better drinking water supply. You also start to deal with things like this. I don't know if you can see calcium buildup, things of that nature. With softened water, these things don't occur. It means your fixtures last longer, means your skin's softer, means you use less detergent in your washing machine. So the best thing to do in a situation like this is you can take and have a professional plumber come out, test your water, see where it's sitting at, and then have a custom application designed for it. They make certain companies and companies that we use actually design the water conditioning around the usage of the homeowner and not just a one-size-fits-all package. It's sized to the house, it's sized to the consumption, the number of people that are living there, so it's a solution that fits the needs of the actual homeowner. Thanks and have a good day.